giving. What if people, whoever wore this had lice? Oh my god, I'm like, hate high school.
It's like similar to the one that was the last one. So if you didn't go on the last one, you notice but you change it black. You change it.
Guys, so I am currently in gym and it is currently freezing and I am freezing my ass off because I forgot my coat at home, but I didn't really forget it. I just decided to leave it because I decided, and I don't know what great mind, that I look at the detail. Freaking love Desi glasses, but I like don't go to style them. What I was saying is that, let me see, she has so many different things in this. It's because this is the drama room, if you don't know. She's the drama teacher. And I'm her assistant. Bro, look at this wig. This wig is insane. Those curls are really nice. Wow. Wait, what? Is this for like, I wonder what this was for. But this is so cute though. Look at this wig. In the right angles. I don't think you guys see the vision. It's like low-key my hair color. Oh my god, my hair is so like sucio. Why I look like that in the bottom? I need to cut my ends or something. My deal. Anyways, this is giving. What if people, whoever wore this had lice? Oh my god, I'm putting that back. The bell is ringing. The bell is ringing. Alright, let me go up. Open. Hello. Is it recording? Okay guys, so by the middle school, let's see if he's in here. My school, to use the bathroom, you have to let a security know so they can open the bathroom for you because the bathroom's closed. I'll put my stuff right here. I just. Alright, guys. So, can you open it for me? Because I can't. Thank you. Ooh. Sorry. Down.
It's good.
Abstract.
That looks so strong.
Nobody told you to get right.
Ooh, vintage. What's vintage? What is this? That's nice.
So what are you gonna do with the 2000?
It's ugly. So I'm not gonna put it on.
You gotta like fix it up first.
This is study hall? Huh?
There's nothing to do here.
Bro,
What happened?
where is the half of the fucking senior class?
Half of them have like, I don't even know. They just have like tutoring.
Because I just walked into the college office and that shit is packed. So I'm assuming they're all there, but like,
Yeah.
damn.
They got me in D2, but D2 is fucking
What's
AP.
D2?
AP.
Oh, Sharon's
Yeah.
not here. Wait, what? I'm confused. Which
D2
one?
is not
D2 for what?
like for tutoring and shit. But like I'm in, that's AP Comp. AP Literate, yeah.
And what? Why are you not there?
Because it's AP Lit, it's AP classes, so I don't know why I'm supposed to be there.
You're not AP?
No. I have the same class as you, what do you mean?
Oh, yeah. Wait, no, because my thing is like, so then why?
I don't know.